你好, welcome to another exam time for basic Chinese. And the content for today's exam will be vocabs from lesson 90 to lesson 95. The first question, which one is the hands of 多? You can try to guess first. A is 多, B is 文, C is 道, D is 种. 多 is A. The next question, which one is the hands of 大使馆? You can try to recall first. A is 幼儿园, B is 游乐园, C is 大使馆, D is 动物园, and 大使馆 is C. The next one, which one is the hands of 联系? I'll give you time to think first. A is 书店, B is 联系, C is 超市, D is 资料, and 联系 is B. Another question here, which one is the hands of 广播? I will explain it later. A is 连续, B is 客户, C is 部门, D is 广播, and 广播 is D. Let's move on to the next question. Which one is the hands of 徐尊? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 迟钝, B is 约会, C is 朋友, D is 豆腐. And the right answer for this question is A. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the hands of 乔? Do you guys still remember or not? A is 少, B is 乔, C is 该, D is 知. The correct answer for this question is B. Moving on to another question here. Which one is the answer of 机会? Which one do you think is the right one, guys? A is 字典, B is 文具, C is 机会, D is 桌子. And C is the right answer for this question. Finally, guys, the last question for today. Which one is the answer of 化学? Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? A is 猎人, B is 书法, C is 寺庙, D is 化学. And D is the correct answer for this question. And that's all, guys, for today's exam. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you guys again in our next lesson. Bye!